UNO, India, Universal Nations Mobile Organization for all races of astro, hydro, geo, animals, plants, minerals, things and celestials welfare. ఇందులో భాగంగా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ యొక్క సిస్టమ్ని గురించి తెలుసుకుంటాం. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ బై యూనివర్సల్ జీనియస్ సొసైటీ అనేటువంటిది ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుందో తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇన్ దిస్ సిస్టమ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్క్లూడ్స్ లెర్నర్స్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ లైఫ్, health, moral values. Many problems arise from family level to international level was expressed through different media. But there was permanent solutions to solve those problems. Those are not, there is no permanent solutions. Our organization can show different ways to solve the problems. Terms not included in this system: gender, number, age, classification, tense forms, schedule, way of examining, no holidays, no timetable, no certificates, occupation and professional, caste and religion, no age limit for right to vote, no money, no political parties. Terms included in this system: voluntary services, anonymous elections from family level to international, way of living of an individual, calculate percentage of truth, peace, silence of an individual, caste, religions on scientific classifications. తర్వాత persons to introduce this educational system. Those who are not interested study in schools, dropouts in any class, professions, occupations, individuals who don't have correct source of learning, example, lessons, timings, schedule, way of exams from government, private and internet. Priority given to skills and character, but not to job of an individual. Government job for an individual. It is individually one can got a skillful job in private sectors and independent. Primary to PhD, single window. Individuals gain the knowledge from astronomical units through mythology, mythology, sound, heat, light, electricity, magnetic knowledge of all organism is power. Classification of organism is based on these and their usage. Example, organs, tissues, priority given to life between life of death of any individual. History. In 1945, UNO New York was started to solve political problems between different countries, but it is unable to solve problems of all organisms of a particular country. So, we have started UNO India to solve such problems of all organisms, animals, plants, minerals, things and celestials. Here, the judicial symbol was sound, heat, light, electricity, magnetic balance. Democracy of human beings, all organism comes under single window, as a beehive. In this system, we are not supposed to encourage hybridization. We can select the head of the administrative body through online. One should exhibit their skills before all. Marks allotted as per below: oral, written, drawings, sculpture, dance. Means expressing feelings through signals and symbols. Each got 10%. Natural truth items 20%, volunteer services 30%. Languages are any in three: mother tongue, international, and body language. Certifying authority, government, private 60%, self-learners 40%. Lessons, future, past 60%, present 40%. One should maintain personal diary which includes their real life, dreams and sleep. Miscellaneous, instead of IAS, IPS, we have IISO, International Administrative Service of All Organisms. One should be observed through drones and satellites. Everyone should write will and update personally, etc. To be continued next.